Green servers and sustainable data centers. As technology grows and the demand for data increases, so does the need for more powerful servers and data centers. However, this rapid expansion comes with a cost, energy consumption, and environmental impact. That's where green servers and sustainable data centers come in. These eco-friendly solutions aim to reduce power usage, minimize carbon emissions, and promote long-term environmental sustainability without compromising performance. What are green servers? Green servers are energy-efficient computing systems designed to consume less power and generate less heat than traditional servers. They often use low-power processors, solid-state drives (SSDs), over hard drives for better energy efficiency, advanced power management features such as auto-sleep or low-voltage modes, efficient cooling systems to reduce reliance on energy-intensive air conditioning. Manufacturers of green servers also use eco-friendly materials and design them for longer life cycles, with components that can be easily recycled or reused. These servers help companies save money on electricity bills while contributing to environmental goals. What makes a data center sustainable? A sustainable data center is built and operated with environmental efficiency as a priority. This includes everything from the building's architecture to the type of energy it uses. Key features of sustainable data centers include energy-efficient hardware, green servers, energy-optimized storage and networking equipment, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydropower, efficient cooling systems like liquid cooling, free cooling using outside air, or hot/cold aisle containment, virtualization and cloud computing to reduce the number of physical machines, intelligent energy monitoring tools to track and optimize energy usage in real time. Some data centers also earn environmental certifications like Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or follow global standards like ISO 14001 for environmental management. Why it matters. Data centers are estimated to consume about 1 to 2% of the world's electricity. With the growth of AI, cloud computing, and video streaming, this number is only increasing. By adopting green servers and sustainable practices, companies can lower operational costs through energy savings, reduce their carbon footprint, and meet environmental regulations, improve brand image by showing commitment to sustainability, stay ahead of future environmental laws and customer expectations. In many countries, there are also government incentives and tax breaks for businesses that adopt energy-efficient technologies. Conclusion: green servers and sustainable data centers are no longer just a trend. They are a necessity for the future of technology and the planet. By focusing on energy efficiency, renewable resources, and smarter designs, organizations can reduce environmental impact while maintaining high levels of performance and reliability. Investing in sustainable IT infrastructure is a win-win for both business and the environment.